Hello guys, I want to show you guys something. Do you know that if you finish building your house and the floor of your house is not good, that anyone that comes in there, the house will not be fine? I guess you get what I'm trying to say. Come, let me show you guys something. Capture this, capture this, capture this, capture this. Can you capture it? Go back, video me. This is only done by professionals. Like, this is a Versace and it's only done by professionals. Can you guys see how accurate the stuff is? Follow me, can you come out? Before you go inside the house, take a look at the entrance. Video the entrance. Capture me. We are not done yet. We are not done yet. Carry the camera, come. Carry and come. Let me shock you guys. Come. Video the ambience of the compound. Video the ambience of the compound. Video the ambience of the compound. Video it. Go back, step back. Capture it. You see how? So guys, this is what we do, and this is kind of work. So guys, this is the kind of work we do for you here. If you finish your compound and your compound is not as neat as the one you can see on this video, that means that you haven't started. Because imagine that you bring someone that is of high class into this compound. The person will feel welcome because there will be no dust on your legs. We are not done with this. So if you need something like this, contact the number on your screen. The number you can see on screen. Contact it. We are gonna get your work done ASAP. Wait, let me show you guys something. Can you come on? So guys, let me show you guys something. Go back. So guys, when you enter this gate, video this one thing. There is a red carpet here. There is a red carpet. So when we are done with this, you're going to see something like a red carpet here. Carry the camera, go. So we are going to be stepping on the red carpet, like you're going to be walking majestically because we did your work. This work is only done by professionals, so be mindful. So this is it. This is what we do, and the only way you can support me with this work, the only way you can support our company, Vinci Signature, is by patronizing us. Just head to our DM and your work will be done ASAP. How you camera go? Customized Versace. This is a Versace. Go back, capture the Versace very well. There's a customized Versace, and it's only done by professionals. So if you want something like this, so that when you carry your baby, your baby will feel like, you know, that she's in a paradise. So this is what we mean when we say we can do your work. There's a Versace here. Capture the Versace. There's a Versace here. Capture this one. There's a Versace here. So we know what you're not playing. Guys, you're not playing. See this one. See, look at the fence. This is a Versace here, and this is only done by professionals. Hey. Go to my DM. Let's design your home for you, because this is what we call home. Come, let me show you something. Look at the backyard. Capture the backyard. Have you seen the backyard? Come. Capture it to the gate. So guys, the video is going to end here. So all you have to do now is contact the WhatsApp number on your screen. Head to our WhatsApp, send us a message, and when we negotiate, your compound will be neat as what you can see. We don't cap nonsense. We don't do nonsense. We did it. Vinci Signature did it. Our job is to design your home, to make your home comfortable, so that when you have a visitor, or my brother, even Donald Trump said, like, we're not even dirty in this kind of compound. So do well to contact us and hit the DM. This is the only way you can support a young hustler. So do well to check up on us, and see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.